Waste resulting from spoiled food is sad and unnecessary. These life hacks will help you make the most of your produce. Got ants in your sugar? A few cloves scattered in will keep your sugar ant-free. To keep paneer fresh for 7 to 8 days, store it in a bowl submerged in water. Cover and refrigerate. Change this water every day for soft paneer all week long. When you buy mushrooms, remove them from their container and store them in a paper bag to keep them firm and prevent them from getting slimy. Bonus tip, you can reuse the plastic tray to organize your lines. Hate the pesky sprouts on potatoes? If you store apples with potatoes, the ethylene gas released by them prevents sprouting. The same gas makes fruits ripen faster. Store nuts and dry fruits in the fridge to keep them firm and fresh for longer. A lemon will release more juice if it's rolled around on the counter for a bit before cutting. If you only need a small squirt of lime, poke a hole and only squeeze what you need. Storing rice with a neem leaf prevents little bugs from appearing. If you've bought too much garlic, you can pickle some whole with vinegar in a jar. Use the flavored vinegar in salads or in place of lime. Store clean leafy greens in bags with paper towels. This keeps them fresh for longer. Never refrigerate bread. This actually spoils it faster. Keep bread wrapped in its plastic wrapper or cling film or even foil. Hope these hacks make your food a little bit fresher. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.